students. Now today we are going to discuss ethers. Okay. In today lectures, we are going to discuss first definition of ether, representation of ether, IUPAC nomenclature of ether, methods of preparation of ether, physical properties of ether, and chemical reactions of ether, and uses of ether. Okay, students, you know that ether is nothing but the divalent oxygen atom is attached to the two alkyl group or aryl group is called as a ether. Okay, you know that water, when two hydrogen atoms of water are replaced by alkyl group or aryl group and formation of new compound, this compound is called as the ether. Okay, you know that alcohol CH3OH is the one example of the alcohol. When hydrogen atom of an alcohol is replaced by any alkyl group and aryl group and formation of the ether. It is the third definition. And another fourth definition, when one hydrogen atom of an phenol, you know that C6H5OH, the H attached to the oxygen atom, that H is replaced by alkyl group or aryl group and formation of new compound. This compound is called as the ether. Okay, keeping in mind this is the definition. You know that valence of oxygen atom is a 2. That divalent oxygen atom is attached to the two alkyl group or aryl group. Okay, see definition first. Divalent oxygen atom is attached to same or different alkyl group or aryl group. Alkyl group or aryl group. Divalent oxygen atom is attached to the same or different alkyl group or aryl group. Okay. Example. First, this is the oxygen atom. That oxygen atom is attached to the first. We take the same alkyl. You know that CH3 is nothing but the methyl. Okay. Two methyl group is attached to the divalent oxygen atom. Common name, it is a dimethyl ether. It is a dimethyl ether. Next definition, next example, C2H5O, C2H5. The name of compound is dimethyl ether. ETH. Okay. We can write another example, C6H5O, C6H5O. It is a diphenyl ether. It is a diphenyl ether. Okay. Next we can write another example, different alkyl group, CH3O, C2H5. Name of the compound, it is a ethyl methyl ether. It is a ethyl methyl ether. Okay. Next example, C2H5O, C6H5. It is ethyl phenyl ether. It is a ethyl phenyl ether. These are the examples of ether. Keeping in mind definition, divalent oxygen atom is attached to the same or different alkyl or aryl groups. Okay, this is the first definition. You know that another definition. General formula of the alcohol R OH. This H is replaced by alkyl group or aryl group, and formation of new compound is called as also ether. R is nothing but the alkyl. In case of the phenol, you know that it is a phenol. This H is also replaced by alkyl group or aryl group, and formation of new compound is called as a phenol. It is the third definition. fourth definition in that water, two hydrogen atoms of an oxygen are replaced by two alkyl group or aryl group. These are the ether. Okay, it is a definition, representation of ether. Representation RORH, where R is alkyl or aryl. You know that R and RH is equal to alkyl or aryl. Okay, keeping in mind all these things. Next, it is the representation of ether, general molecular formula of ether. You know that this example CC. Okay, how many carbon atoms? 2. C2H6O. It is a general molecular formula of the diethyl ether. You can find out CN, N means number of carbon atoms, H, how many H atom, N, 2N, 2 into 2, 4, 2N plus 2 oxygen. N stands for the number of carbon atoms, N is equal to 2, C2, H, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, and O. The general molecular formula of the ether is CnH2n plus 2. Okay. In this case, how many hydrogen atoms? How many carbon atoms? 2 plus 2, 4. If we put n is equal to 4, C4. 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. In this case, C4, H, 10, and O. If we put n is equal to 4, C4, 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, and 1 oxygen atom. Therefore, it is the general molecular formula of the ether. Okay, keeping in mind all these things, definition, examples, and representation. Students, we are going to discuss the next classification of ether. Classification of ether. First example, simple ethers. Simple ethers. Okay. Simple ethers when same alkyl groups are attached to a divalent oxygen atom. Same alkyl groups are attached to the divalent oxygen atom. Example, CH3O CH3, it is a dimethyl ether. C2H5O C2H5O, it is diethyl ether. It is a dimethyl ether. Next, C6H5O C6H5. It is diphenyl ether. It is a diphenyl ether. See this example, two similar alkyl groups are attached to the oxygen. Therefore, it is a simple ether. Simple ethers are also called as a symmetrical ethers. Simple ethers are also called as the symmetrical ethers. Okay, keep in mind this thing. Next, mixed ether. Mixed ethers or unsymmetrical ethers. In unsymmetrical ether, two different alkyl groups are attached to the oxygen atom. In this case, similar alkyl groups are attached to the divalent oxygen atom. What is the definition of mixed ether or unsymmetrical ether? Two different alkyl groups CH3, C2H5. It is example of mixed ether. C2H5 and CH3 both are the different. Name ethyl methyl ether. Name ethyl methyl ether. Another example C6H5O C2H5. Name of the compound, it is a ethyl, it is a phenyl group, ethyl phenyl ether. It is a ethyl phenyl ether. Keep in mind this classification of ether. This question asked from the state board examination paper, okay, and ask the different name of the compounds, okay. Define ethers and classification of ethers, okay. Classification first simple ether and next one is a mixed ether. Keeping in mind this classification of the ether. Next, we are going to discuss the next part, an important part is IUPAC nomenclature of ether. IUPAC nomenclature of ether. Okay, it is an important part. Students, you know that IUPAC nomenclature of ether you have seen in the which topic? In the 11th standard topic, some basic principle and techniques in the organic chemistry. You have seen the all functional. Okay. First, structure. Second column, common name. Third column, IUPAC name. First example, CH3OCH3. CH3OCH3 is nothing but it is dimethyl ether. It is dimethyl ether. IUPAC name, students, you see, you know that CH3OCH3, CH3OH, it is a methanol. CH3OH is nothing but methanol. This hydrogen atom is replaced by methyl group and formation of the dimethyl ether. You know that CH3O, this group is called as the alkoxy group. You know that R is equal to alkyl, therefore RO is nothing but the alkoxy group. CH3O is the methoxy. CH3O is the methoxy. You can write another C2H5O is the ethoxy. C3H7O is the propoxy. C4H9O is the butoxy. C5H11O is nothing but the pentoxy. Keep in mind, this is the this group is called as the alkoxy. Alkoxy containing one carbon atom, it is called as the methoxy. The IUPAC name, this is the methoxy, and next methoxy, and remaining part is the methane. Methoxy, methane. Keep in mind another thing, you know that CH4, it is methane. One hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by one methoxy group. One hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by methoxy group. Therefore, IUPAC name of the compound is a methoxy methane. Next, CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3. The name of compound, common name is diethyl ether. Common name is the diethyl ether. In this case, one hydrogen atom of an ethane is replaced by ethoxy group. One hydrogen atom of an ethane is replaced by ethoxy group. Therefore, name of compound is ethoxy ethane. IUPAC name is the ethoxy ethane. Okay, we can write another example. CH3 CH2O CH2 CH2 CH2. Students, tell common name of the compound. Common name is the left hand side of the oxygen atom ethyl group, right hand side of the oxygen atom propyl group. Okay, in propyl group N carbon atom is attached to the oxygen atom. You know that propyl starts from P, ethyl starts from the C. Alphabetically E is the first. Therefore, I will say common name is the ethyl N propyl ether. Ethyl N propyl ether. Okay. What is IUPAC name? You know that CH3 CH2 CH2. 1, 2, 3. Propane containing more carbonate as compared to the ethane. Therefore, 1, 2, 3. One hydrogen atom of propane is replaced by one ethoxy group. Therefore, name of compound is 1 ethoxy propane. 1 ethoxy propane. We can write another example. CH3 CH2O CH3. Tell me IUPAC name. Left hand side of the oxygen atom ethyl group, right hand side of the oxygen atom methyl group. Common name is ethyl methyl ether. Common name is ethyl methyl ether. In this case, alkoxy group goes to that side, that group containing less number of carbon atom. Okay, in which side less number of carbon atom? In this side less number of carbon atom. This group is considered as the alkoxy group. Okay, name of compound is methoxy, and remaining part is the ethane. Methoxy ethane. Keeping in mind, when if we consider example of the unsymmetrical ether, then alkoxy group is considered as it containing less number of carbon atom. Alkoxy group containing less number of carbon atom. Okay. Another example: CH3 CH2O CH3 CH. Tell me common name. You know that it is isopropyl group, it is ethyl group. Common name is the ethyl isopropyl ether. Ethyl isopropyl ether. It is ethyl, it is isopropyl, and remaining part is the ether. Ethyl isopropyl ether. What is the IUPAC name of the compound? In this case, first select the longest chain 1, 2, 3. Okay, in the 2 carbon at the second position, this group is attached to the second position. This group is called CH3 CH2O is nothing but it is an ethoxy group. CH3 CH2 is the ethoxy group. Therefore, name of the compound 2 ethoxy propane. It is a 2 ethoxy propane. Keeping in mind, this is the name. Okay. Any doubt? When if we consider the simple ethane, alkoxy alkane, but if we take the example of the unsymmetrical ether, the alkoxy group containing less number of carbon atom as compared to the parent chain. Okay, but in case of the alkane, it containing more number of carbon atoms. Student, any doubt you can ask your mobile. We take another different examples of ether. CH3O CH2 CH3 CH. Okay, tell me name of the compound. It is, this group is butyl group. This group is a isobutyl group. The common name is, you know that isobutyl B, isobutyl, it is starts from the B, methyl, yeah. B is in alphabetical order. B is first as compared to the M. Therefore, common name of the compound is isobutyl methyl ether. Isobutyl methyl. In alphabetical order, B is first, M is next. Therefore, common name of compound is isobutyl methyl ether. And IUPAC name, if we select the longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It is a methoxy group and it is a methyl group. Two substituents. Name of the compound is 1 methoxy, 2 methyl propane. 1 methoxy, 2 methyl propane. Keep it in mind this name. Okay, it is 1 methoxy, 1 methyl. Why? If we take methoxy first, because METH, METH same, but as alphabetical order, oxygen is first and Y is after. The oxygen, the sequence in case of the alphabetical order, oxygen is first and Y is second. Okay, keeping in mind this is the IUPAC name of the compound. We can take another example. CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3. Tell me IUPAC name of the compound. In this case, it is N-butyl group because terminal group is attached to the oxygen atom. Therefore, common name N-butyl ethyl ether. N-butyl ethyl ether. And IUPAC name, number starts from longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4. It is an ethoxy group. IUPAC name is the 1 ethoxy butane. 1 ethoxy butane. Okay, keeping in mind this one. You know that another example. Tell me name of the compound. It is a phenyl group. It is another phenyl group. Common name. It is a diphenyl ether. Common name is a diphenyl ether. And IUPAC name C6H5O. C6H5O means this is the C6H5O. C6H5O group is called as the ethoxy. C6H5O group is called as a phenoxy. When one hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by phenoxy group, therefore IUPAC name of the compound is a phenoxy benzene. Keeping in mind this thing. Okay. Next, take symmetrically, unsymmetrical ether. CH3. Tell me it is methyl group, it is phenyl group. The name of compound, common name is methyl phenyl ether. Common name is methyl phenyl ether. Okay. Or common name of the compound is anisole. Common name of compound is anisole. And IUPAC prove that it is methoxy group when one hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by methoxy group. Therefore, IUPAC name of compound is methoxy. IUPAC name of compound is a methoxy benzene. Okay, keeping in mind all IUPAC nomenclature. When if you take symmetrical ether, less number of carbon atom is considered as alkoxy and more number of carbon atom is considered as a alkene. Okay, we can take another example. OC2H1. Tell me name of compound. It is ethyl group, it is phenyl group. Therefore, name of compound is the ethyl phenyl ether. It is the ethyl phenyl ether. Okay. IUPAC name is the ethoxy. IUPAC name of compound is the ethoxy benzene. Okay. Another name of the compound, common name, phenitol. Phenitol is the common name of the ethyl phenyl ether. Okay, keeping in mind this is the important name. We can take another example. Not benzene. Tell me name of the compound. Okay, numbering starts from 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is the name of compound? Common name is not possible for this compound. IUPAC name 1 methoxy, 2 methyl cyclohexane. 1 methoxy, 2 methyl cyclohexane. Keeping in mind this name. Okay. Any doubt you can ask me. Okay. Today will be stop here. Tomorrow we will be going to discuss the next part of this topic. Thank you very much.